Hello. Talend Cloud is a modern cloud and big data integration platform designed to deliver trusted data throughout your company. We offer a free trial of Talend Cloud, allowing you to explore a collection of sample jobs created to demonstrate key tools and features now available at your fingertips. Today, I'll demonstrate this two-step dynamic migration sample job that will show how easy it is to migrate data from an AWS MySQL database to a Snowflake Cloud data warehouse. The first step, or flow, sets up my Snowflake environment, while step 2 dynamically reads the schema from my source database and replicate the tables in Snowflake. Once the tables are built in Snowflake, I can import the data saved in S3 into the tables, all in a matter of minutes. Let me show you what this looks like and discuss the details. I'll import the first job by selecting step 1 from the list. I can review the job objectives and a list of prerequisites required to run the job. First, I need a Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse account. If I didn't have one, I could create one using this embedded link. Whether I'm an existing Snowflake user or a trial user, either one will work. I'll also need an Amazon S3 bucket to retrieve my access token. For detailed instructions on how to execute these jobs, I can review the online documentation here. This documentation contains more detailed instruction for setting up the required accounts necessary for this job to run successfully. For instance, it informs me on how to set up a new database titled MySQL within my Snowflake account, which I've successfully done. I can also choose to download the complete set of jobs here or review the visual demonstration of this job flow. Finally, I can review the list of parameters required to run the job using my multiple connections. To begin to import the job into my personal workspace, I'll click Try It. The AWS MySQL connection information is pre-filled since Talend is providing read-only access to a sample database for this example. I just need to provide the password, which can be found in the online documentation. I'll click Save. Now I must verify my S3 connection by providing the access key and the secret key. I'll click Save. Now I need to provide my Snowflake account information, including my account name, password, user ID, database, and warehouse. And I'll click Save. This opens my job within my personal workspace. The S3 bucket parameter comes pre-populated as trial Snowflake, following the details from my online instructions. However, if I would like to specify a different S3 bucket, I would enter the bucket value here. Let's run this job by clicking Go Live. Talend Cloud has pre-populated my connection fields with my newly created connections. With my schedule set to run now, I'll click Go. It's now setting up my Snowflake environment to receive the data from my incoming data warehouse, creating a staging area and setting the file format. A staging area is a location that will store the temporary data exports from MySQL for when I run step 2. Setting the file format is simply defining the format of the data export from MySQL. Once the flow has finished processing, I can review a log containing specifics on the run process, as well as any errors that were encountered. But my flow ran successfully. Additionally, within Talend Cloud, I can review job execution history from the operations view. I can manage actions, connections, and more from the management view if, for instance, I need to update an existing connection or add a new connection. Let's now import and run the second part of my process, which reads the table definitions from MySQL and dynamically recreates the tables in Snowflake before importing the data from my S3 staging area. It asks me to confirm the MySQL parameters and re-enter the password, and then input my AWS S3 connection keys. For my Snowflake connection, I'll again confirm the parameters and re-enter my account password. And I'll click Save to officially import this job. With my S3 bucket pre-populated, I can run this job by clicking Go Live. My connection information, again, is pre-populated, so I'll click Go. Now, this job will use the defined file format and S3 staging link defined in Snowflake to import the data into my newly generated Snowflake tables. And that's how to take advantage of the dynamic migration sample job process, now available to you as a Snowflake free trial user. With Talend Cloud, we provide the tools your business needs to inspire confidence and security when working with your data. Let us help you succeed. Try out Talend Cloud today.